Have you ever wanted to create a video on your channel that recaps your favorite movies or reviews new releases, but you're worried about copyright infringement? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit movie clips on YouTube without facing copyright claims by utilizing the fair use guidelines. We'll dive into a case study focusing on the movie The Girl Next Door. I'll start by highlighting various content creators who use copyrighted movie material without facing copyright claims and still enabling their videos to be monetized. Then, I'll discuss the fair use guidelines in relation to movie editing, and finally demonstrate how you can create your own recap videos without violating copyright laws. Now there's a diverse array of faceless movie channels on YouTube exploring filmmaking aspects, offering analyses of movies in an educational and entertaining manner. Here are a few popular ones. Now You See It. This channel dissects popular movie scenes, elucidating underlying themes and filmmaking techniques. Lessons from the Screenplay. Focused on storytelling in movies, this channel breaks down scripts and narratives for insightful summaries and analyses. For concise movie summaries, check out Cinema Summary, specializing in straightforward recaps covering plot points, characters, and key themes in a shorter format. If you explore Cinema Summary's videos, you'll notice they creatively transform movie clips. For instance, they combine AI voiceovers narrating the movie's summary with visual clips from the movie corresponding to the narration.
Authorities to send their survivor child to a camp for treatment. The American president, President Gray, asserts that his son, Clancy, has survived the illness and is currently receiving healing at the camp.
As you can see, the videos are getting thousands of views and subscription. If you're interested in creating such recap videos, understanding copyright laws is crucial. However, there are ways to avoid copyright claims. Use clips from public domain movies. Public domain movies are no longer protected by copyright law and can be used freely. Use clips under fair use. Fair use allows the use of copyrighted material for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. Create transformative works. Transformative works are new and original creations that use copyrighted material in a way that adds new information, commentary, or criticism. To illustrate how you can create recap videos without copyright issues, let's use the movie The Girl Next Door as an example. Here are the steps you can follow. Step 1. Find a movie to use for your recap video. First, you want to create a video on a movie that many people want to watch, right? Well, that's where boxofficemojo.com comes in. Box Office Mojo is a treasure trove of popular movies that promise millions of views and sweet ad cash. You can start by checking out the Indices tab first before venturing into more recent releases. Step 2. Generate a script. After deciding on the movie you want to work with, in this case, The Girl Next Door, next is going to Google and making a search for The Girl Next Door synopsis on imdb.com. Use the synopsis provided on the IMDb website as a base from which you can generate your own script for your video. Then, use ChatGPT to rewrite it in a unique way. Here's a prompt you can use with ChatGPT. Can you help me rewrite the synopsis of the movie The Girl Next Door? I want to create a concise summary for a video I'm making. Use the synopsis as a base, but make it shorter. Then paste in the copied synopsis and hit enter. Once you have the rewritten synopsis, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Create a voiceover now. Use an AI text-to-voice tool like ElevenLap to convert your rewritten script into a voiceover. ElevenLap provides natural-sounding voices with different accents and tonalities. It's preferable due to its high-quality audio output, natural intonation, and easy-to-use interface, making it ideal for generating engaging voiceovers for videos. Step 4. Edit your video. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the audio file generated by ElevenLap as your voiceover. Then begin to gather visuals by searching YouTube and public domain websites for clips related to your movie. In this case, the movie is The Girl Next Door. You'll want to start with the Creative Commons clips by clicking on the filter option and selecting the Creative Commons option. You can also search for movie backstories. In some popular movies, you will get extra materials like interviews with the actors in the movie or the true story behind the movie. You can also use that creatively in your videos, making the video unique and transformed, which is what YouTube is looking for. Enhance your video by adjusting transitions between clips, adding subtitles for clarity, and including relevant images or text to complement the narration. Once you're satisfied with the editing, export your recap video.
In The Girl Next Door, we are introduced to David Moran, a man haunted by a past mistake. The film takes us back in time to 1958, where David is a teenager who befriends Megan Laughlin, a new girl in town who has been placed under the care of Ruth Chandler, a seemingly kind but sinister woman. As David witnesses the horrors Megan endures at the hands of Ruth and her family, his conscience compels him to take action. However, fear and inaction prevent him from intervening sooner, leaving Megan to suffer unimaginable torment. The film culminates in a shocking and violent climax, where David finally confronts Ruth and her accomplices, saving Megan from further abuse. But it is too late. Megan succumbs to her injuries, leaving David with a lifetime of regret and the haunting memory of the girl he failed to protect.
All these used to take a lot of time to make just one video, but today with the help of AI you can do it in minutes.